my experience of coming into Bangalore, it was heaven. Bangalore to me looked not only clean and green, the people were also extremely cooperative, friendly, lovable people. So for us it took no time to decide that this is the place for me to settle down, for us to have a house here.
A recent study conducted by the Indian Institute of Science concluded that the city is gradually becoming unlivable.
The vegetation of once green city Bengaluru has seen a decline of 78%.
We have lost 88% vegetation and 79% of water bodies.
We are very badly short on water. This is nationwide issue. So if we do not address these issues in the cities and we do not trap the rainwater, we do not harvest it, we are going to be in deep trouble. Rainbow Drive today is a community of about 384 owners. Rainbow Drive is now known for its sustainability efforts that we have done.
I am a new resident of Rainbow Drive. I moved here a couple of months back. It's a lovely community. I've been visiting here several times. I saw it's very green, very beautiful, lots of trees, birds, and very eco-friendly.
Every house has done rainwater harvesting. We are water secure. We might be the only colony which has addressed urban issues in a very sustainable fashion. So we have three types of recharge structures. One inside the house, the other one inside the stormwater drains, and then these bigger ones which are high volume ones, which are at strategic locations in the colony, about 5 to 6 of them. So this is our natural sewage treatment plant. We said our process should not use electricity and machines are not involved, so your maintenance and other things also become simpler.
So the solar system that's set up here, up on the terrace, generates enough power for us not only to use within our house, but also to feed back into the grid and to the community.
We would have had several iterations. At the same time, other people joined in this effort of reaching out to the people. What is segregation? What are the categories? We started the segregation drive in around 2006. So this is where we do our composting of the kitchen waste. The composting process that we have in place today is, I think, the simplest one, and it's been adopted widely in Bangalore. There was a time when we didn't know what to do with it, where to take all this garbage and waste, and today it has become such a precious thing, and it is helping us grow so many vegetables and fruits. Now, because we have free water available, we have free compost available, almost every household is growing something or the other. So a lot of us have become actually urban farmers. We have been now growing from 3-4 years. So we get the pure things, we guaranteed things, peace of mind is there, and you can see everything is flourishing here. And as a community we have become much more connected today. The trust factor is much more there. So it has become much easier today to function in a managing committee. So Rainbow Drive that way has been inching towards sustainability, towards more connectedness, and it has helped us in improving our own well-being. The quality of living this colony provides us is very difficult for me to get anywhere in the country.